We have just illustrated how to render an R Markdown file in an HTML format. So what we're going to do now is to render the same RMD file into a PDF format. To do that, go back again, the CMD. The same procedure, the same function. You can see here we have this, but instead of just leaving it as it is, add an additional parameter, type comma before the closing parenthesis, and type output format equals. So we want to output the document as a PDF, so type PDF underscore document and hit enter. However, if it is your first time using R Markdown, you will be prompted with this error. It means that R Markdown was unable to recognize or determine or detect the tech distribution, LaTeX distribution or LaTeX distribution in your system. In my case, I really haven't installed any tech distribution currently in my system. So what we're going to do now is to install a tech distribution. Now there's this problem with installing tech distribution in our systems. There are some tech distributions that are so heavy in terms of file size. So in our case, we'll be using a lightweight version of tech distribution. Specifically, this tech distribution is called the TinyTech, introduced by Yiwei. So to install the TinyTech, type TinyTech double colon. By the way, this TinyTech is a package installed along with R Markdown. So you can access this automatically. Install TinyTech. So this is now, this will install the tech distribution within your system. Now we're going to install a TinyTech tech distribution, hit enter, and it will download a zip file from this link. So this is a lightweight TinyTech tech distribution, approximately 101.3 MB. So expect that it will really take time, especially if it's the first time. We're done. As you can see here, we're already done. Now let's render again the RMD file into a PDF document using the same command as before. So we have here R Markdown render test file output format PDF document. Hopefully no error will pop up. Hit enter. And voila. Output created test underscore file.pdf. So the rendering is successful. Again, this file is located to our working directory currently in the workshop. So going back to the folder, as you can see here, we have an additional file, a PDF file. And we click this one. We have now our Markdown file rendered in PDF format. Again, there are plots, tables, and contents, the same contents and equations being rendered. So that's it. We have just demonstrated how to render our R Markdown file in a PDF format.